going on, guys? I'm actually using the Hero 4 GoPro today, so sorry if the quality is a bit off. My cameras are all full on storage because I've been filming the reveal video and the longer video for the whole lift and everything. But today's video is actually about the tailgate handle, which I have in a box right here. And so what happened was, when I was actually filming the reveal for the lift, I went to open the tailgate, and the one side of it, which is a plastic piece which hooks onto like an X metal bracket inside to open the tailgate, pull the latches on each side. The one plastic piece actually snapped, so the handle is only being held on by the one side now. And I just spent probably 30 to 40 minutes trying to get the tailgate open, and finally it did open. And now I got the handle, and I'm headed to the shop, the same shop where we cleaned up the underbody of this Ranger actually. And I'll be installing it, so I'm very glad I'll be doing that, and I'll also be able to lubricate it. So hopefully the tailgate will move more freely and open a lot easier moving forward. I just went with Rock Auto, just like I did with my sway bar end links. They're just really affordable, just a direct replacement, nothing special. But I figured I'd kind of make a video about installing the new handle. So I'll talk to you guys here in a bit. Here's the replacement handle, and you can see here that's the broken side. I have to take all these out. There's just these two bolts that hold in the handle. As you can see, the left side's not moving because it's not connected, and it's a pretty easy replacement. So sorry for my bad filming, but we just took these two nuts off. The old handle dropped out, and then reverse it, drop the new handle in, drop the nuts back on. We're just going to brake clean it, lubricate it, throw it all back together. And I'll put it all back together. Yep. To film an outro. So just to kind of summarize, my tailgate handle on the left side snapped. I ordered a new one from Rock Auto, and it's a very simple fix. So you just remove the plastic cover on the tailgate, remove the metal cover at the top of the tailgate, and there's two bolts that hold it in, and it just kind of falls out, and you just reverse what you did to take it out to put it in. I'm sorry that this is such a short video, but do stay tuned because I have some exciting stuff coming to my truck. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.